Kantara chapter 1.
Kantara chapter 1. Kantara chapter. You are from some other planet. That
No,
you're a loner. आसपास क्या हो रहा है doesn't matter to you. What is it? You are a Shiv Bhakt, so you have attained that level where worldly things do not matter to you.
मेरा कहानी बोलता हूँ
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ನವಿಕಾ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೌವಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಫುಲ್ ಕಾಂತಾರ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ನಡೆಯುವಾಗ ನಾನೊಂದು ನೋಡಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂಥರ ತುಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಷಬ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿಯವರು ಮತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನಕ್ಕಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋದು although it can be taken in lighter humor, I could make out that undertone to it. Input ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗಂತ.
Hello and welcome to the News Hour, and Rishabh Shetty, what a pleasure it is to welcome you to our studios. Also joining us is Rukmini Vasant, the actor of...
ಏನಂದ್ಲು
Rukmini Vasant, the actor...
ರುಕ್ಮಿಣಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೆ ಅವಳು, ರುಕ್ಮಿಣಿ ವಸಂತ್, ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ರುಕ್ಕು, ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಪುಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿ. ರುಕ್ಮಿಣಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವಳು, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ರೂಕಿ. ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್ ಅ ಕಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿವೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್.
Kantara chapter 1. Kantara chapter 1 and Kantara chapter...
Kantara. It's not Kantara, it's Kantara. So let's go listen to that again.
So joining us is Rukmini Vasant, the actor of Kantara chapter 1. Kantara chapter.
It's really not done. I mean, when you interview somebody, Navika, it's my humble request. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಂತಾರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Being a national reporter, before you interview somebody, a certain level of experience or understanding of the pronunciations of their names, the movie names, I think you need to do that study and then get into the interview when you're... that's basic respect. And I don't think you've done that. Anyway, let's go on.
And as they always say, behind a successful man, there is a woman who's actually whipping him to go on. So welcome to the studios, Pragati Shetty.
Whipping him. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Anyway.
Thank you so much.
What are you doing these days? Pastime counting?
No.
ಕಾಂತಾರ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 5 ದಿವಸ ಆಗಿದೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು, 5-7 ದಿವಸ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ, don't you know he is going for his promos, he's going and being a part of all these things because he is going to be really busy. The movie is releasing in multiple zones, multiple countries. What are you doing andre?
Counting the box office numbers.
टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि वो होमबाड़े वो करते हैं एंड हम और भी प्रमोशन में है. थोड़ा प्रमोशन खत्म करके थोड़ा रेस्ट ले लेते हैं.
Being the humble Kannadigas that we are, I think Rishabh handled it so well. ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನಾನೇನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೊಂಬಾಳಿದವರು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
But who has seen anybody promoting a film which is record?
Is it a mistake to promote a film which is broken records? There's a proper promotion plan and they're actually promoting it. There's nothing wrong in it.
मीडिया को थैंक यू कहना चाहिए.
Well, Rishabh Shetty, I want to know, नॉर्थ में आए हैं, दिल्ली में आए हैं तो हिंदी बोल रहे हैं, साउथ में जाएंगे तो बोलेंगे हिंदी खराब है, कन्नड़ा बोलो यहाँ पर. नहीं, क्या है?
नहीं, हर
What? Like what is she talking? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇವನ್ ಬೆಸ್ಕಾಮ್ ಅವರು ಡಿಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಶಿ ಸೆಡ್. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ just listen to that again.
Well, Rishabh Shetty, I want to know, नॉर्थ में आए हैं, दिल्ली में आए हैं तो हिंदी बोल रहे हैं, साउथ में जाएंगे तो बोलेंगे हिंदी खराब है, कन्नड़ा बोलो यहाँ पर. नहीं, क्या है?
नहीं, हर
Well, Rishabh Shetty, I want to know, नॉर्थ में आए हैं, दिल्ली में आए हैं तो हिंदी बोल रहे हैं, साउथ में जाएंगे तो बोलेंगे हिंदी खराब है, कन्नड़ा बोलो यहाँ पर,
नहीं
क्या है?
नहीं, हर उनका जो जगह जाते हैं वो लैंड पे जाते हैं, उनका भाषा में बात करने का प्रयास करना चाहिए, तो एफर्ट तो डालना चाहिए.
अमेजिंग. ऋषभ शेट्टी, आई वांट टू नो, नॉर्थ में आए हैं, दिल्ली में आए हैं तो हिंदी बोल रहे हैं, साउथ में जाएंगे तो बोलेंगे हिंदी खराब है, कन्नड़ा बोलो यहाँ पर,
नहीं
क्या है?
नहीं, हर उनका जो जगह जाते हैं वो लैंड पे जाते हैं, उनका भाषा में बात करने का.
ಎಂತ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅದು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಯು ಬೆಟರ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ನಾಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, he's come there to your zone or your news reporting firm and he's speaking in Hindi so beautifully. I mean, whatever he knows, he's speaking. Maybe he's got a little bit of an accent, but that's fine. He's actually managing really well. What is it that you have a nerve to ask him, kya hai ye, when we come down south, you don't want to speak Hindi, but now you're speaking Hindi. You first learn how to speak Kannada when you're in down south, wherever in Bangalore or whatever.
Why am I getting a feeling that you are actually preparing for a political life?
What is this? I mean, he never said anything about politics. Neither did he say he's planning to get into politics. Maybe he looks like a politician, so she's basically judging him just based on his looks and based on what he said, and is trying to tell him that, I think you're getting into politics. And she's not letting him answer every single question.
Because Kantara Chapter 1 has got the box office absolutely up and running, and the global collections have beaten Pushpa. So what does that make you feel? How does it feel? Because you're the director, you're the writer, you're the actor, and everything all in one. Rishabh Shetty, our producer, also counting the money.
Counting the money. He's sounding like some principal who's like shouting at the kids in school. I mean, Ranga Matadodu, he's done his movie, he's achieved it. Who are you to ask him whether he's counting money? Really, you've done this, you've done that. Who are you to ask? I mean, you are also counting money.
Well, how does it
Did you go work with him when he was working on the movie? No, right? So just
feel when you film? It's like a baby. It's on screen and it's being appreciated. How does it feel? Feel when you film? It's like a baby. It's on screen and it's being appreciated. How does it feel?
बहुत अच्छा फील होता है. एंड उसमें प्रोड्यूसर विजय करगेंदुर एंड चलवे गौड़ा है. हम बड़े फिल्म्स मैं नहीं हूँ, मैं वो पहले 3 बोला है अपने, वो हूँ मैं. एंड द अप्रिशिएशन एंड सपोर्ट, द ब्लेसिंग्स जो ऑडियंस दे रहा है, तो वो देख के बहुत खुश होता है.
How long did you prepare for this film? Because Kantara came first, the chapter 1, which is the prequel, has come now.
Ninaji,
So let me-
Kantara la. Kantara. Learn how to pronounce the name of the film. Don't say Kantara.
prequel
Arey Ghanta Kantara. Kantara.
has come now. So let me ask, prequel se pehle ka planning. What was the planning and how long did it take you, to think of making this film and writing it and imagining it? I told you just
दूसरी बार सेकेंड लॉकडाउन में है हम, तो कैमरा है, लेंसेज है, लोग है, टेक्नीशियंस को बुला के मैं मेरा घर आजू बाजू में रिलेटिव्स का घर में रख के हम सेकेंड लॉकडाउन में और एक लॉकडाउन फिल्म कर देते करके, बिकॉज फर्स्ट लॉकडाउन में किए थे हम. सो वो वाला थॉट था शुरू करने के पहले. लेटर वो लॉकडाउन खत्म हो गया, जो स्टोरी डेवलप हो गया, तो हर दिन बहुत फास्ट किए हैं. मतलब 3-4 महीने में पूरा 3 वर्जन लिख के प्री प्रोडक्शन करके हम कर दिए. 1 साल में जो आइडिया जो अनाउंस किया था, 1 साल में रिलीज भी किए.
So this is chapter 1.
Yes.
So now you will make a book with chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 10 तक चलेगा ये
और भी पीछे सोच
स्कूल
जा
में
रहा है.
इंट्रोड्यूस कराने का है इतना चैप्टर.
She sounds like she's jealous about the success of Kantara. I say, oh, so you're going to make it a school thing with all like 10 textbooks from 1st to 10th. So everybody learns about Kantara. It's about our folklore, it's about our particular region, it's a story related to our gods. So I have some respect.
Pragati Shetty, I want to ask you. You're also the costume designer in the film. I want to ask you, how is it to deal with a boss who's the director, who's also your husband, who's the boss on the sets, who's the boss at home? How does it work when the boss is doing so many things and must be possessed because he does that acting also of being possessed so well. Is he like that in real life when he's working on the film, possessed man?
He is actually, I always call him, he's a God's child. If not, he can't pull off this kind of a big like movie, being the writer, actor and director, like not only in terms of like budget or
You like very clearly said that you support him wholeheartedly and fully.
something, beautifully crafted and maintaining that authenticity. And like he had like he has work like I can't even imagine, like even though I was beside him every single day, even I used to wonder how can somebody do all this.
Where did the fights happen? Don't tell me that all this time the husband and wife did not fight at all. Where was
Set only.
set only?
ज्यादा सेट में मिलते थे हम
And good that we didn't get
Proper professional interview, get on with details about the interview. Why are you asking them about their personal life when they fight, when they get time to talk?
time to fight. I was telling him that only, like since last 5 years we both were so busy in Kantara, there's no time to fight.
And then who says sorry first? Who's the boss? You or he?
I say sorry because 9 years हो गए, it's almost 10 years हम मिलके तो भी वो एक दिन भी ठीक से टाइम नहीं दिया हमें.
Living with a famous man, a successful man, is one very good feeling. Because he's also setting an example for your children of how hardworking he is. But as a wife, you need his time as well. The children need his time.
Yeah.
Does that bother you?
More than me, because I'm matured enough to understand what he is doing, and I want him to do more, because I always feel he's blessed, like how many people can do this kind of a work. So when he is getting to do that, I want to stand with him and support him, like how much ever I can.
You have now mesmerized her so much, and it's lasting beyond 10 years. Kuch to hai, jadoo. But
तो हमारे क्या है ना, एक ऐसा काम करने के लिए हमारे साथ स्त्री शक्ति बहुत अच्छे से होना चाहिए. वो है
वो
अभी
है ना, स्त्री शक्ति.
तो ये इंटरव्यू में 3 है.
So, Rukmini, there were some allegations against him. He hasn't given.
Rishabh really needs to be a little more upfront. He needs to be more confident in his interviews. He should just be matter of fact and tell Navika that, I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. Maybe you felt that way about Kantara 1. Yes, there was a little bit of women bashing, which was done in lighter humor, which was wrong in Kantara 1. I mean the Kantara, the first Kantara. But yeah, I mean, it doesn't mean that this episode was influenced by it. But okay, fine, she asked. You really have to show women power in every form, because the story might be about a man. And every story has got women in it. But it's not like one of those magnum opus where, it's all about men, like some of the Telugu movies that we watch. So compared to that, I think this was better off.
He is not a hero also.
Due to women in the
इस बार देख लीजिए ना, उस समय जो
Did that play on your mind?
No, कहानी
Because there was criticism.
No, not at all. मतलब मैं मेरा कहानी बोल रहा हूँ, that's it. उसमें वो जर्नी था शिवा का. He is not a hero also. He is a villain. जो गलत समझा लोगों ने, मतलब ये हीरो ऐसा कर रहा है करके.
He's speaking Hindi as much as he can, and ma'am's got complaints about it, saying you come to our area and you speak in Hindi, but you don't want to speak in Hindi when you're in Karnataka. So she missed the whole point that she doesn't want to speak Kannada when she's in Bangalore or in Karnataka. Go point that out, Navika, and learn some Kannada.
वो कांड कर रहे हैं, वही दिखा रहा हूँ मैं. जो किधर जाना चाहिए था वो नहीं कर रहा है, पूरा उल्टा सीधा कर रहा है वो. He has so many negativity with him. तो वो लेटर इसको एक एनलाइटनमेंट आएगा दैव का, जो एक उसको एक सिचुएशन आएगा ना, उधर से वो कैसा चेंज होगा करके एक कहानी है. उसमें माँ का तो बहुत बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर था, बहुत पावरफुल था वो. तो बोलने के लिए बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, वो रख के हम कहानी चेंज नहीं कर सकते.
So what would you say about films that have that toxicity to?
So if he goes back into history and looks into folklore, where you have writings and everything, and if a woman is not really being celebrated in that story, so should he be true to himself and show the story the way it is, or create an imaginary woman character who he has to make larger than life. That's exactly what I'm trying to understand. I mean, there is Kanakavati in this movie from what I know, and I've not seen the movie yet. Why should you actually create a personality just out of nowhere when you're trying to tell a story which existed? So you'd rather be true to the story rather than create imaginary characters just because you have to be a woke person.
Rukmini, you agree with that?
बिल्कुल उस हिसाब से चैप्टर 1 में आई थिंक एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत किरदार लिखा हुआ है सर ने और उनकी टीम ने. It's a character that just as an actor has been a delight to play. It's been something that's been really gratifying for me. You always try and look for roles and sometimes you get blessed when you're an actor कि कई roles में you get to grow as an actor but also as a person. So I think this has been one of those roles for me.
And then when the commercial success happens,
हाँ जी.
how does it feel that you're part of a project that is breaking records?
She'd ask Putti about this, and then Putti would give her a different answer, and they wouldn't be calibrated. I mean, they've all come prepared. Whether they're prepared or not, I think Rukmini is like super smart when it comes to being diplomatic, giving the right answers, not speaking more than she should. And I've seen this in all her interviews. She is super smart. You can't get her to fall for your tricks. I saw these answers in some of the other interviews too. So don't try fooling around with her. You won't get your way.
I think एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत किरदार लिखा हुआ है सर ने और उनकी टीम ने. It's a
What Hindi?
character that just as an actor has been a delight to play. It's been something that's been really gratifying for me. You always try and look for roles and sometimes you get blessed when you're an actor. कई roles में you get
Roast.
but
Navika got roasted on
also as a
this.
person. So I think this has been one of those roles for me.
And then when the commercial success happens, how does it feel that you're part of a project that is breaking records? Where people are actually crying when they're seeing the film.
It feels better than being a journalist like you, Navika, because you're sitting here in your office and trying to put them down, and they are actually tasting the sweet honey of success. So go get a life.
You get FaceTime calls from Anupam
Look at that jealousy on her face.
when he watches the film. How does that?
तो हम देख के उनका इंस्पिरेशन में हम आए हैं, जो वही फॉलो करता हूँ मैं. तो मुझे कुछ ये आप बोल रहे थे ना, जो कंपटीशन रिकॉर्ड एंड ये सब कुछ नहीं है मेरे दिमाग में. मेरा कहानी बोलता हूँ मैं.
You are from some other planet. That
No,
you're a loner. आसपास क्या हो रहा है doesn't matter to you. What is it? You are a Shiv Bhakt, so you have attained that level where worldly things do not matter to you.
क्योंकि मेरा कहानी बोलता हूँ मैं.
You are from some other planet. That you're a loner. आसपास क्या हो रहा है doesn't matter to you. What is it? You are a Shiv Bhakt, so you have attained that level where worldly things do not matter to you.
मेरा कहानी बोलता हूँ मैं. मेरा कहानी बोलता हूँ मैं. मेरा कहानी बोलता हूँ मैं.
She's called him in for an interview, and that's a basic respect. He's an artist. He's put in so much effort, and his movie has become a super hit. And you're telling him that he's trying to act holier than thou?
ना ये रिकॉर्ड आप बोल रहे हैं. ये एक्चुअली
Just look at what she said.
Level.
So because you're a Shiv Bhakt, she's telling you that you think you're larger than life and nothing affects you.
सारे इंडस्ट्री का जो लेजेंड्स जो सीनियर्स को हम देख के उनका इंस्पिरेशन में हम आए, जो वही फॉलो करता हूँ मैं. तो मुझे कुछ ये आप बोल रहे थे ना, जो कंपटीशन रिकॉर्ड एंड ये सब कुछ नहीं है मेरे दिमाग में. मेरा कहानी बोलता हूँ.
You're from some other planet. You're a loner. आसपास क्या हो रहा है doesn't matter to you. What is it? You are a Shiv Bhakt, so you have attained that level where
Look at that. Look at that face when she says that. Oh my God, Navika, what do you think you are? Like, you made some 100 movies and you're now like rating Rishabh on his movie.
Shiv Bhatt, so you have attained that. Shiv Bhatt, so you have attained that. Shiv Bhatt, so you have attained that. Shiv Bhatt, so you have attained that level. Shiv Bhatt, so you have attained that level. Shiv Bhatt, so you have attained that. Shiv Bhatt, so you have attained that level where you know worldly things do not matter to you.
ये रिकॉर्ड आप बोल रहे हैं ये एक्चुअली नॉट बिलोंग टू फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ये एक्टर डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर प्रोडक्शन किसी का भी नहीं है ऊपर ऑडियंस का है वो लोग जो फिल्म पसंद आ गया तो वो लोग सेट करते कितना कमाएगा ये कितना कलेक्ट करेगा क्या रिकॉर्ड करेगा
Very well said. It's actually a very offbeat movie, and for somebody who's done just 5 films, like Rishabh said, 5 good films maybe. Well, this is definitely a great achievement, and it's actually driven by people's love for the content, the folklore, and not some random crap that sometimes Bollywood produces.
बिलोंग टू फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ये एक्टर डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर प्रोडक्शन किसी का भी नहीं है ऊपर ऑडियंस का है वो लोग जो फिल्म पसंद आ गया तो वो लोग सेट करते कितना कमाएगा ये कितना कलेक्ट करेगा क्या रिकॉर्ड बनेगा करके
But in a time where slapstick comedy, action, all of that is happening to come with a folk story dating back, several centuries. Were you nervous? And it has required a lot of investment of hard cash. 125 crore, I'm told, is the budget of the film.
I don't know.
You don't know. अच्छा, your accountant is separate.
वो होमबाड़े से होगा वो सब
अच्छा, तो अभी ईडी भिजवाते हैं. अच्छा.
So basically, she just wants to say ED भिजवाते हैं क्योंकि she just wants to put him down somehow, and she's like belittling him in every single thing that he's talking about, and she's just not able to digest the fact that a Kannada movie has done well and Bollywood is shitting crap.
Have you all sat together as a team and celebrated that?
We haven't had the opportunity just yet. It's been, it's been such a long and beautiful journey of creating the film, and right now we're promoting it, everywhere. So as we speak, another splinter of our team is promoting it, in other places. So we're all sort of off spreading the gospel of Kantara everywhere. And hopefully in a couple of weeks maybe or a couple of days we'll all get back together and enjoy the success. But we're all constantly messaging each other and very, very thrilled at the kind of responses that we're getting from across India, from Uttarakhand, from Rajasthan, from Jharkhand.
Is language a barrier at the end? Because this is a Karnataka folklore, and you're saying it's being appreciated in Uttarakhand, in the north, and आप लोग हिंदी बोलना बंद ही नहीं कर रहे हो, तो is language a barrier, do you feel, because you come from Karnataka?
No, and I think that's because the themes that are being explored in the film are so universal, so it's rooted in a different culture which you get to learn about.
Which is
Again, why is she bringing the fact that आप हिंदी बोलना बंद ही नहीं कर रहे हो? It's that extra effort we've taken. We've learned Hindi. You learn how to speak Kannada when you come down south or come to Bangalore or step into Karnataka. Don't complain about us speaking Hindi when we are up there. We can speak in Kannada. Will you manage to speak in Kannada? No.
Is language a barrier? Do you feel because you come from Karnataka?
No, and I think that's because the themes that are being explored in the film are so universal, so it's rooted in
Namruku's martyr's daughter. She's been a part of the army. She's learned Hindi. She can speak Hindi so beautifully. Okay, Nam Rishabh ge, he's got a little bit of accent when he speaks Hindi, but he manages so well. So appreciate that, and you learn a bit of Kannada with an Hindi accent, man. Navika. Name is Navika, but karti kuch nahi.
a different culture which you get to learn about.
Which is the best compliment you've got so far?
After putting them down so much, finally she says, okay, it's a proud moment for India. Come on, Navika, give me a break.
Thank you very much to all of you for joining me on the news.
Thank you.
So, call her Rukmini Vasant, not Rukmini.
and as they always say, behind the
Thank you guys. Signing off. So I would be looking forward to hearing your comments on what you think about this. Was it just very casual, or did you guys also feel feel an undertone of sarcasm when she interviewed them? Because I just felt like she was really being a little, very I don't know what to call it, but she was like differentiating them based on the zone or the area they come from. She was like clearly not being nice to them. So she's being a little racist. Yeah, so think about it, share your comments, and share this video far and wide so Navika knows that she needs to research before she comes in for an interview, being a national reporter. Otherwise, I've loved some of her other interviews where she's done some great journalism. But here, there's something that was showing through her tone and sarcasm that she showed throughout the interview. Thank you guys, and I'm Arvind signing off.